Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2017 Honda Civic LX. Under the hood we have a 2.0 liter i4 engine and a CVT continuous transmission. This guy's in black. It looks fantastic. You do have the chrome accenting on the front there, looks great. You do have your projection style headlights right there, and coming around the side here we do have our tires, our Edge Kelly tires. They look fantastic. You do got 16-inch rims on there as well, looking great. You do have your heated exterior mirrors right there, and coming all the way around to the back of the vehicle you do have your Honda badging as well as the Civic there, and you can open it up just like this. Awesome. Lots of room back here as well. Looks fantastic. Very soft as well, keeping things nice and safe. Got your spare tire under there in case you did ever need it, and you can lift or put down the seats just with that right there, and gives you a little bit of extra room. Okay, we have our keys here, 2 press to unlock, 1 press to lock, and you do have that one to open up the back, and you do have your panic button there. Let's unlock and let's take a look on the inside. So on the door here, you do have electric mirrors, windows and locks all right here. Trunk opener right there, and some storage here and a handle here. Looks fantastic in here as well. Very comfortable seats, soft and very nice. You do have your traction control options right there, and then right up here we do have the controls of the lights, the off, the auto, the daytime running lights, and the low beams, as well as the turning signals and the high beams. Okay, let's start her up here. Key in the ignition, and we are good to go. Now right in the center here we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as our fuel gauge and our engine temperature. We also have right in the center there our kilometers, which is 28,000, not very many at all. Also average speed and time, and then you also have the kilometers you're going and the temperature outside and all that fun stuff. Then you can switch that around to your, let's just adjust here. You got your fuel economy, you have your settings, you also have your music, your phone options. You can switch it from miles to kilometers, and then back to your clock and your speedometer there. Now that is controlled from your steering wheel right here. This one does change your channel and all that. Volume up and down here. This one changes that center guide I just showed you, and your Bluetooth options down here. Horn in the center, and your cruise control options right there. Then your windshield wipers right there. In the center you do have a 7-inch touchscreen display, looking great. You do have all sorts of different audio options here. You can go back to the home. You have your settings, your phone, your audio. You can go over here. You have all different stuff, Honda Link, smartphone connection, all that stuff there. Volumes up and down here, menu, back button. And then down here we do have our climate control, so the heat up and down. Circulation, you have your front and rear defrost, and the power there. When you are in reverse, you got the ever useful backup camera there, keeping you nice and safe. And you do have 3 different viewing options, keep you nice and safe and help you park. Then down here we do have our heated seats, a little bit of storage just down there, and then you got even more storage just underneath there. You got your brake hold, your parking brake, as well as your econ mode here. Some cup holders, and you can also slide this back and lift that up. You got some storage under there, or you can slide this back and got some room just on the other side there. Very versatile. Then over here you can fold that down, and you do have your owner's manual inside of there, and then up top you do have some lights. Let's take a look in the back here. Open this guy up. On the door we do have our handle. We have another little handle there, and the control of your windows, and some storage down here. Looks great in here as well. Very comfortable. Same seats as the front. Nice and soft. You do have some armrest with your cup holders right there, and then you can fold those seats forward as I said. And there's our 2-liter i4 engine. Well, that does it for my walk around video of the 2017 Honda Civic LX. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.